डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू कृष्णा क्लासेस। और इस वीडियो में हम द लिटिल फर ट्री के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को समझेंगे। एक बार अगर हमें आंसर समझ में आ गए तो फिर हमें उन्हें याद नहीं करना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें उन्हें रटने की जरूरत नहीं रहेगी और हम उन क्वेश्चंस को बड़ी आसानी से अपने आप भी लिख सकेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। Choose the correct answer. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but pretty little fir tree खुश था और वो अपनी gold leaves से खुश था। लेकिन फिर क्या हुआ? A goat came along and ate them. All the leaves got wet in rain. A man stole them. And the right answer is a man stole them. The fir tree was sad because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle-like leaves, because it was very short. And the correct answer is it was sad because it had needle-like leaves. The fir tree was not happy with gold leaves. Fir tree अपनी gold leaves से खुश नहीं था because the goats came and ate them. A man stole them. The gold leaves broke. And the right answer is a man stole them. By changing the underlined word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. इन sentences में हमें एक word को change करके sentence को दोबारा लिखना है। I carry a light bag to school every day. अब light का opposite होता है heavy. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. रीना won the race. रीना ने रेस को जीता। और opposite होगा lost. रीना lost the race. I love eating vegetables. Opposite will be I hate eating vegetables. This glass of milk is full. This glass of milk is empty. Full माने होता है पूरा भरा होना और empty का मतलब है खाली होना. The old man is wise. Wise माने होता है समझदार या बुद्धिमान. The old man is foolish. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un or im. Happy, unhappy. Polite, impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Impossible माने जो संभव नहीं है. Important, important का मतलब होता है बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण, बहुत जरूरी. Unimportant, जो जरूरी नहीं है. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Safe माने होता है सुरक्षित और unsafe यानी जो सुरक्षित नहीं है. Patient, impatient. Patient का मतलब होता है धीरज रखना और impatient माने जिसने धीरज खो दिया है. Pure, impure. In this question, we have to tell the opposites of the colored words. Rita loved her dog Shiru. Loved का opposite होगा hated. Every day, Shiru would go out of the house and come back himself. Go out का opposite होगा come in. Come का opposite होगा go. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked for him everywhere. Everywhere का opposite होगा nowhere. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Opposite of down would be up. Sheru was lost. Lost का opposite होगा found. He was nowhere to be found. Nowhere का opposite होगा everywhere. Rita was crying और crying का opposite होगा laughing. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden. Sudden का मतलब होता है अचानक. All of a sudden something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. And happy's opposite is sad. Happy का opposite होगा sad. Where was Chetty? Why was the fir tree sad? Fir tree sad क्यों था? उदास क्यों था? The fir tree was sad because it had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nests on it. और चूंकि उसकी लीव्स नीडल जैसी थी, सुई जैसी थी, इसलिए उस पर कोई बर्ड्स घोंसले नहीं बनाती थी, नेस्ट नहीं बनाती थी, इसीलिए फर ट्री सैड था. What was the first wish of the fir tree? The first wish of the fir tree was to have green leaves like other trees. पहली विश फॉर ट्री की ये थी कि उसकी भी हरी हरी पत्तियां हों जैसी बाकी पेड़ों की होती हैं। Who ate the green leaves? A goat came and ate all the green leaves. What was the second wish of the fir tree? Fir tree की second wish क्या थी? The second wish of the fir tree was to have gold leaves. Second wish उसकी ये थी कि उसकी पत्तियां गोल्ड की हो जाएं। Who stole the golden leaves of the fir tree? Golden leaves fir tree की किसने चुराई? A man stole the golden leaves of the fir tree. एक आदमी जो वहां पर आया था उसने फर ट्री की गोल्ड लीव्स को चुरा लिया था।